Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can withdraw money from 1xBet, and this is important so that you will be able to access your winnings safely and quickly. And by the way, make sure that your account is verified for smooth transactions. So once you've logged into your account, what you will have to do is you will see this section right here, but it really depends on your layout. But once you see something like this, what you will have to do is you will just have to click this profile icon right here, and what you will have to do is click withdraw funds, and you will just have to wait for the page to load. And once you're here, you will just have to select your withdrawal method. So yeah, it could be bank transfer if you want, or e-wallets, cryptocurrency payment, online banking. So yeah, you could just choose from any of these. So it really depends on you. And after you've chosen your desired withdrawal method, you will just have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. And then you will confirm your account details for the chosen method, and then click withdraw and wait for the processing. And the processing time varies depending on the method. So you just gotta check your bank or e-wallet to confirm the receipt. And yeah, by the way, you should also verify your account beforehand to avoid delays. Keep track of withdrawal limits and fees. And yeah, that's how you can withdraw your money or funds from 1xBet. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.